Today, we're arming you with some serious trading firepower. We'll dig into 3 essential tools that should be in every trader's arsenal. So let's go to it. Number 1, a reliable trading platform. Listen, first things first, you need a reliable trading platform. It's like your command center. Picture NASA's mission control, but instead of launching rockets, you're launching trades. You want a platform with real-time data, because in trading, every second counts, and advanced trading capabilities. It's like having a magnifying glass to see the finer details of the market. And let's not forget, a user-friendly interface. You wouldn't want to navigate a labyrinth every time you place a trade, would you? So take the time, do your due diligence, and find a platform that feels like a good pair of jeans, comfortable and fitting just right. The platform I like to use is moomoo. It has a count of earning reports, educational resources for the novice traders. Trust me, it's like having a secret weapon in your trading arsenal. And right now, if you sign up using my link, you will get 1 free stock just for signing up, 4 more free stocks if you deposit just $100, and another 10 free stocks if you deposit $1,000. But during the month of May, as a special offer for the viewers of our channel, if you deposit $100, you will receive 5 more free stocks. That's 10 in total if you just deposit $100. Use the link down below in the description for more details and join moomoo today. You can choose when you start trading, but take advantage right now of what you're getting for free. Next up is a charting tool. Now, I can't stress this enough. A good charting tool is like having a crystal ball. It helps you see market trends and make those tough trading decisions just a little bit easier. Remember, there are plenty of charting tools out there. Some people like their charts like they like their spaghetti. Simple and straight to the point. Others prefer a little more sauce, like candlestick charts or bar charts. There's something for everyone. So experiment and find the one that speaks to you. But don't just rely on the visuals. Make sure to combine your chart analysis with other technical indicators to get a more comprehensive view of the market. And hit that like button to let the algorithm know that this is some good stuff. Tip 3, a trusted news source. Last, but definitely not least, a trusted news source. You see, the market moves with the news, and you want to stay ahead of the game. That's even better than a crystal ball. Whether it's earnings reports, economic indicators, or global events, the news can impact a stock's price. So make sure to keep your finger on the pulse and always stay informed. Trading is like surfing. You want to catch that wave at just the right time, and staying informed will help you do just that. Now, you're equipped with 3 essential tools to help you succeed in trading. But this next video will tell you about the pitfalls that you have to be aware of. I'll see you in there.